Big news coming in. Can tweaks be expected in the Agnipath scheme? That's the latest that we have coming in. Changes possibly to come at an appropriate time. According to top sources in the defence, we are told that the sources confirming that there could be adjustments to the Agnipath scheme that could be made. Remember, this was introduced for the short-term military recruitment, and these changes are being discussed presently, though the changes will be made at an appropriate time, which is not which we don't have clarity about right now. But I can tell you that according to senior officials within the Defence Ministry, there are ongoing deliberations, and that could possibly be one of the angles here to increase the retention percentage of the Agniveers. That could allow a greater number of them to continue in full-time service beyond initial 4-year term. So currently it is about 25% of Agniveers who are retained after initial service period. Military experts say this is insufficient. 1/4 is too low a number to be retained to maintain the desired combat strength on the ground. This has come from a top source within the Defence Forces and the Ministry, and therefore it appears the Army has recommended the percentage to increase. My colleague Shivani Sharma is joining me for the latest on that. Shivani, this is big news, and many in fact were asking for changes in this regard. What are you picking up from your sources?
Pooja, India Today has already reported that there will be some changes in the Agnipath scheme because it was being demanded from on ground, and the officials and the top sources have now once again confirmed to us that the tweaks will be coming, but at an appropriate time, because the deliberations are already on, and not today, but when the scheme was launched in 2022. Since then, there were some demand for the changes on ground, depending upon the surveys and the feedbacks that were given from the units, the formation. So, particularly about the retention, the percentage that remains right now, 25%, the Army sources reveal that it is too low to maintain a good strength on ground, because we know that India is on a two-front challenge right now, be it the Chinese side at the LAC, where we are in a standoff with China. On the other side, the western borders also, we need good strength, good number of soldiers. So, in that term also, to maintain the strength on ground, especially of the soldiers, the fighting strength, we need more soldiers, and Agnipath scheme has shown that only 25% of these soldiers at the end of 4 years of service will be retained into the forces. So the Army is strongly recommending that these numbers must increase, and not only in terms of numbers, Pooja, in terms of emoluments, in terms of entitlements also, there are certain changes that have been recommended based on the feedback, the surveys that have been done within the Army formations. And these changes will come, but at an appropriate time. That is what the Army sources have suggested.
All right, this is big news coming in, and we'll continue to track the latest on this, as Shivani is telling us that the government could be mulling changes in the Agnipath scheme. For now, it could be about